Hey everybody, welcome back. Yeah, we are finally getting back to the decor series or home improvement series, whatever you want to call it, room by room. Now, the plan was, if you've been following my channel, if you're subscribed, if you're not, you need to go and hit the subscription bell and shake something. Anywho, you'll understand that too later by and by if you hang around. But look, the plan was to start with the theater room. And we've had a change of plans, okay? There are some things that I'm still looking for the theater room. My husband's, aka my dude number one's theater. And there are certain things that I'm looking for and I can't really find exactly what I'm wanting. So anywho, in the meantime, as we're going through and making these changes, I really want to give away most of my stuff. So if I have something that I'm getting rid of, I just want to be a blessing to somebody else, and I don't want to sell anything. I just want to give the things away. Okay? So having said that, there's a particular young lady that was getting ready to move. And she was going to have to purchase everything. So my thought was, I sent her some pictures of our upstairs bathroom and wanted to know if she would like those themes. So long story short, she did. So we're starting with the upstairs bathroom because once I got everything out of there, it looks kind of pitiful right now. And that will be the guest bathroom, if you will. It's upstairs. So we need to start there because I need to get the bathroom done because nothing is in there now. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is, when I know I'm going to do something, I'll grab the camera and just record a clip here and there because I want to show y'all everything. And if I don't do it when I'm thinking about it, I'll get to moving and shaking and taking stuff out and taking stuff down and realize I did not share the before with you guys. So as I was referencing the clip that I did as it pertained to the bathroom, y'all, that was the end of January. That's crazy, but that's the end of, it was the end of January. So I'm going to show you this clip, so keep in mind it's previously recorded in January before, again, for those of you that keep up with everything I do over here, before I took my 266 micro braid locks out of my hair that took me 40.5 hours over the course of a week to do. If by chance you're interested in that video, I will put it up here so you can check that out. But anywho, so I said all that to say, when you see these next couple of clips, my hair is going to be micro braid locked because it was back in January before I took them out, y'all. Okay, so let's look at the clip. I'm going to show you the before of the bathroom and then the one after, and then I'll come back. So here is the before of the bathroom. Like I said, nothing has been done in over 6 years. And then it has the double vanity. And then when you come in here, the water closet is behind, or the toilet is behind another door. So I'm getting ready to take down the shower curtain and the towels. And wash those. And then this little trash can right here, I don't know, some kind of way it got broken. I hate that the bottom of it got broken because I would love to give that away too. But because it's broken, let's see here under the bottom. Won't be giving that away because it is damaged. But I'm going to wipe down the pictures as well and pack all of this stuff. I have taken everything out of the bathroom and gotten it cleaned up and washed up. When I took the pictures down, I sprayed them down with Windex and got them clean, got all the dust off of them and made sure the glass was clean. All of the towels and the washcloths, I have washed those. The shower curtain, I washed it too. So now I'm just getting everything packed up in the box. And I think I mentioned before, I didn't like the way the rugs were looking, so I didn't want to give those to anyone. So I just picked up a couple of new rugs. I really didn't want to send. I wanted the bathroom set up to be as complete as possible, so I really wanted to make sure I got some rugs, and hopefully that'll kind of support the pictures so they won't fall over. And so everything is clean and ready to go. I took down the little shower hooks and cleaned the little hooks. Got all the residue, you know, that kind of collected from being on the shower curtain and moist in there. So got those cleaned up as well. I had mentioned not wanting to give away the trash can, but you guys, it's so nice, and I'm just gonna let I'll let her decide whether or not she wants to use it, because with this part right here that's broke, if it is set the right way, like in a corner, you won't even realize that the back part of that is broken. I didn't realize it was broken until I think I was in the bathroom doing something and I had to move it, and between my dude number 2 and my dudette said, I think it happened when he got knocked over or something. So anywho, so I'll let her decide whether or not she wants to use it. If not, she can get rid of it. But I just love the way it goes with all of the decor. So I'm going to include it. Again, if, you know, she wants to get rid of it, she can. But so, and then I just picked up, got another shower liner and just a couple of other things that I wanted to include to make sure that pretty much everything she needed for her bathroom she would have. She has everything that she needs for her bathroom, or she got everything that she needed for her bathroom. She even decided that she would use the trash can. Okay, so it was just crazy when I went back to revisit that clip. I was like, oh my goodness, that was in January. It didn't seem like it had been that long, but it has been. So now it's time to get started on the bathroom. Okay, so the pictures behind me, they came out of my dining room. So that's really what I'm basing my decor on for the bathroom. I guess you can tell by the pictures it will not be the monochromatic color scheme, which is not too much color at all. You know, I know that's kind of the trend with the grays, the beiges, you know, all the neutral colors. Honey, with all them colors back there on them pictures, I don't think it'll be too much neutral about my decor. Okay, so in another video I will give you more of a close-up of the pictures, and of course we have to go do some shopping because I do have to get towels and rugs and all that kind of stuff for the bathroom. But my plan is, let me say that because sometimes stuff change. My plan is to use those pictures in my bathroom, and also the drapes that I'm taking out of our dining room area. Okay, so the plan is we're going to do the upstairs bathroom, and then we're going to make our way downstairs to the dining room, because I done took the pictures out, so now I need something in the dining room. And then kind of like our hallway area as you come in our front door. So those are the areas that I'm going to kind of focus on right now. And I hope you guys stick around to see the before and after, okay? All right, so thank you guys so much for watching. I already look forward to you joining me again next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Turn on the notification bell. You know how you turn on the bell and it shakes? So that's the shake something, shake something, shake something, shake something. Y'all, that comes from my dude #1. Y'all will meet him too, honey. Lord Jesus, that's a whole nother story and piece of work. But thank you guys. Bye.